Now we have this problem, libxcv resolution.so.0. And if you go to Debian packages.website, you can see this file belongs to this package. So we can apt-get install this one. We can apt-get install this one and wait. Okay, we can try ADS again. You see, another error. So we needed to. I will stop this directory because my time is almost up. libxcv.so.2. So we needed to find this. We needed to find this in packages.debian.org again. The package name is libxcv ewmh2. So we needed to apt-get install this again. Then we type ads. And libxcv composite 0. Okay, so we can open this, but I don't know how to use ADS, so I choose. I don't know. I don't know which one I should select. I select a random one. Okay. Okay, so you can run ADS now. You can open ADS screen now. Then we can go here. I just tell you about the ADS. You can see the version is 2025 update 1, right? 2025 update 1. So this is how we install ADS, and basically everything is the software mentioned in this flow is already installed, right? So this is your final turn. Understand? This is your final explanation. Good luck, young man. See you next week.